In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove all Instagram likes at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile and then tap at these three lines to go to settings and activity. Here, towards the middle of the screen, you will find this Your Activity option and you need to tap on it to continue. And on the next step, at the very first position, you will find this Likes option. Now I'm gonna enter it, and what that will do, that will show me all posts and reels that I've ever liked on Instagram. I can go down through this list and it will upload more and more content here. And then if you would like to unlike some particular post or reel, then you can just long press on it, and what that will do, that will select that particular item here, and down below now we can see this unlike button. So now I'm gonna tap right here to unlike this particular post. However, guys, also in almost the same way we can unlike all this content at once. To do that, just hit right here at select, and now we need to quickly, in this way, select all of posts and videos we are going to unlike. We cannot for some reason drag it like we do on the Photos app, so we need to manually tap at each of these media files, just like that. Down below here, as you can see, it says that I've selected 33 items here already. If you got more images, then just keep doing the same actions until all the content you would like to unlike is selected, and then just tap right here in the same way. Tap at unlike and then tap right here to confirm it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.